Alrighty guys, like I said, this is gonna be a two-part video. We got a little cut off there, but we got a Cyndaquil, Team Rocket's Energy, Team Rocket's Porygon Z. Have not seen that one. That one's actually a really cool art for a Porygon. And Team Rocket's Houndoom. And Arven's Mastiff. Reverse Squavette. And a Blaziken. Still a really cool card. And on to the next pack. Alrighty, we got the Coughing pack art. Last pack magic, guys. Let's see if we can pull an SIR. Code card for you guys. We got a Combuskin. Cynthia's Feebas. Team Rocket's Dottler. Yeah, Dottler. Yep, that is a Dottler. Applin. Team Rocket's Ariana. Manectric. Misty Psyduck. Hydrapple, reverse. And Team Rocket's Marie. And a Cynthia's Garchomp. Double rare. Let's go. Hell yeah, I love that card. And probably gonna split up the next set into a separate video. So if you guys like this content, go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one.